Hi everyone, welcome to my second daily edition. In this daily edition, I'll be talking about the value chain for my company. For my business. The DE2 this week, Minto has asked us to create a simple value chain in which that we understand how our business has the value chain and how it works. So, the value chain goes as suppliers to the operations, to the markets, to the marketing section, distribution as in selling, and then it reaches the customers. So in this video, I'll be trying to explain what I understand to the best of my knowledge about my business's value chain. First, suppliers. So suppliers for a digital design company usually involve companies like Getty stock images, etc. that sell images in exchange for copyright, which costs money. Secondly, subscriptions can also be a large part in the suppliers because digital design needs a lot of programming and software in order to be effective and helpful. This means that the suppliers will mainly be image producers and subscriptions in apps such as CapCut, Photoshop, etc. Next is going to the operations, which means that we process the images that we have to fit on the projects that we're currently doing or to customer demand. There's editing, fixing, as well as controlling on the customer demand. For example, if the customer wants it to be in a minimalist theme or more of a creative twist, we need to add that in because it's part of the operation and we need to please the customers, or else it's the amount of customers that we're going to have is going to drop. Next is going to be the part where we have to market everything. There's the ads, which can be put onto social platforms such as Facebook, Meta, Instagram, etc. Then there's posters, which are physical things that can really cost us a lot because a small digital design business is not gonna go to big one in a single day, but it needs time, meaning that posters will be an expensive choice. Lastly, there's the posts, which is the same thing as ads, but it's not interruptive and people can see it at their own interest and own free will. Fourthly, is the distribution or selling of our items. There's online selling, offline selling, as well as I learned from the rule of purchasing, and I think that it applies to the person buying too, that there's gonna be a price depending on the customer as well as the price depending in the country, because I think I've explained in the weeks prior to this video that some countries' economy is weaker than the other, and if we fit our prices to be normal in each company, we can make more profit than if we just kept the same price. Lastly, after selling, it reaches the customer, which means that it will make our company profit and make money as in revenue, cash, and other financial terms. And now the customers are going to have feedback to our company, which means that our company, based on customer feedback from last week, I think, will have to contact our suppliers for different kind of images, and then our operation process will be a bit different to fit customers' needs and demands. Then there's the distribution and marketing, in which we'll have to try harder. And I think this is a really important value chain because everything is connected. For example, if the suppliers give low quality images, it will affect the customer's project and hence lower our brand's trust and quality. So that's all from my D2 extension from the main work. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Bye.